Welcome to my channel. Enjoy cooking with Al. I'm glad you're able to join me today. Today, I'm going to show you how to take your plain white rice and make it more interesting. Here we have some white jasmine steamed rice. We have some baby spinach, fresh baby spinach. Look at this, wonderful. We have some seasoned salt, okay? You use any kind you like, okay? We have some fresh garlic. We have some scallion. And we also have some olive oil. Okay, guys, let's get cooking. Okay, I already poured my olive oil to get it nice and hot. Got some of it in the pan. Now we're going to saute our fresh garlic. Put that in there. Our scallions. Oh yes, wonderful. Get that mixed up. Release the flavors. We're going to add our spinach nicely. Wonderful. Oh, that smells delicious, guys. All right, let's add our spinach right in. And it's going to cook right down, guys. Baby spinach, get it all in there. Now at this point, we're going to add our rice. Wonderful. That's what we want. Our nice seasoned salt. Okay. Mix that in, incorporate all of that together nicely. Don't be shy. Get those flavors going. Wonderful. It smells delicious. Wow. Look at that. Thanks guys for watching. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to click on the subscribe button below. And I would love to hear comments from you. Until next time, enjoy cooking with Al.